have way too many unread books. So today I'm going to read the first chapter of each of these books and then I'm going to decide my next read based on that. Did not expect this. I'm more curious about it. Now, interesting to hear. First of all, I need to start looking here. And there was no specific reason. Hi, welcome to the video. So, you might have already seen that title. So, you know what we are going to do. These are all the books you have already seen, maybe have seen videos where you might have seen all the books that have been lying, and I am just tired of collecting books and not reading them. It is taking a toll on me, and it makes me feel guilty also. कल मैं book fair जा रही हूँ, तो I'm going to be buying more books. तो अगर मैंने इन्हें एक एक करके फिनिश करना शुरू नहीं किया, then I'm going to end up having books जो मैंने कभी पढ़ी नहीं है, and that number is going to be way bigger than the number of books that I have read. And this year I am very actively trying to change that. This is how I'm going to decide my next read क्योंकि I am a very undecisive person. So I thought maybe this will help me, decide what I can read next. So yeah, okay. So let me just keep them here. And the first one is One of Us is Lying. Now, you might have seen my March TBR video where my brother picked up books for me. So, this was the one that we bought in the end. If you don't know the what I'm talking about, so you can check out the video if you want. And yes, first I'll read the first chapter and I'll see if this is going to be the book that I'm going to be reading next. Okay, first, the reason that I bought this book. Um this is a thriller mystery kind of a book, I think, where there are four friends or college friends probably, and I don't know, I have forgotten everything. Okay, let me just go through the summary here. ये लोग full brown. ओके, यहाँ पे ये कहीं भी नहीं लिखा हुआ है कि ये लोग फ्रेंड्स थे, तो आई डोंट नो वेदर दे आर फ्रेंड्स और नॉट, बट मर्डर मिस्ट्री है शायद ये. तो दिस एंड देयर वाज नो स्पेसिफिक रीजन मैंने ये बुक मैंने पिक की थी. ऑल मैंने इसका नाम सुना हुआ था डेफिनेटली, एंड या इट इंटरेस्टेड मी, सो आई बॉट इट. अभी मैं इसका फर्स्ट चैप्टर पढ़ने जा रही हूँ एंड देन आई विल सी कि क्या ये मेरी नेक्स्ट रीड हो सकती है. आई हैव वेरी हाई होप्स फ्रॉम दिस बुक क्योंकि आई लाइक मिस्ट्री थ्रिलर काइंड ऑफ बुक्स. सो होपफुली I'm going to be reading this one next. Let me just check the first chapter. Chapter 1. I have read the first chapter and interesting to है. So first of all, ये जितने भी characters यहाँ पे mentioned हैं, these guys are not friends. वो same school में हैं, एक दूसरे को जानते हैं, but they are definitely not friends. And then there is Simon, जो मुझे नहीं पसंद आया because वो उसका एक ऐप है जिसपे वो लोगों के secrets publish करता है, which I think is not a good thing to do. But जिस note पे ये chapter end हुआ है, the actually it makes me want to read more, but since I have all of these books, oh my god, how do I do this? Sorry, I have like, let me show you these books. So I am not going to be biased. No, this was only the first book, so I want to go through at least 4 or 5 of them more, and then I'll decide which book I'm going to read next. And so the next book that I'm going to pick up is a non-fiction, Think Like a Monk by Jay Shetty. Now, I bought this 3-4 years ago. At that time, I was watching a lot of Jay Shetty videos. I think at that time, everybody was watching Jay Shetty videos. And he's like a very good speaker and he teaches some really good things. I liked the things that he spoke, and hence I bought this book, and I have not read it. I don't know why I buy these books and then I do not read them. Or actually, I read it like till page 3, I think, because you can see the underline here. Yes. So I think I have read only these 3-4 pages, and then Oh, no, no, no. This was just the introduction. It was not even the first chapter. Here is part one, Let Go. So I think I will read this one, and I'll not read the introduction because first chapter is what I said I'll be reading. So I'll read this first chapter and I'll then decide which book I'm going to read next. Although this one seems like a winner right now, but मैं सारी books के first chapter पढ़ने के बाद ही decide करूंगी what I'm going to do. So yeah. Okay, and this chapter says identity. I am what I think I am. I think there was a really cool statement that he said. I don't remember the statement. I'll try to find it. Oh, yes, here it is. I am not what I think I am. I am not what you think I am. I am what I think you think I am. ये मुझे बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लगा था उस टाइम पे. अभी आई कैन से दैट इट्स अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग सेंटेंस, बट आई डोंट नो. मैं अब पहला चैप्टर पढ़ के ही डिसाइड करूंगी कि क्या करना है. सो एंड आई थिंक इट्स अ प्रीटी बिग चैप्टर. It is of like 16 pages. Okay, it will take me some time. Let me read this and get back to you. Whew. I did not expect this to be so action oriented. Like, I did not. I just thought that, like many self help books, it is just going to be theory. But this one is so action oriented. And you know what? Do you also believe that the right book will find you at the right time? I think that is it for me. Like, the first chapter talks about auditing your life, like literally audit your life. And for the past 2 weeks, I have been thinking about this thing because I want to make some changes in my life. And I was thinking about auditing my life, and I was thinking, how can I do this? So I saw one video, it didn't help much, but this one here, this is a complete guide. Like, it is a good starting point for me. I just, how can it be so actionable? I did not think that it is going to be this much actionable. Like, it is asking you to audit your time, audit your values, audit where you spend money, audit everything about your life. And that is the concept that I relate with so much because I've been thinking about it so much for the past 1 year, and then for the past 2 to 3 weeks I've been thinking about, like, I have to audit my life. I have to audit my life because that is the only way that I'm going to see whatever changes I want to make and whatever is not fitting into my life and what I want to fit in my life. And this here talks about this, like, universe. Okay, so yes, this has interested me a lot, but I this is a these two are completely different. So this is a fiction, but really interesting fiction because chapter one ended on such a good note, and then here a book that will maybe help me make those changes that I have been wanting to for such a long time. So I am really confused right now. I will go through. I don't want to go through any more books, but I will go through. I think. I will go through two books. One is going to be Emotional Intelligence. I've been wanting to read this. I wanted to understand maybe emotions better, something like that, and I just bought this one. And then I will let all of these go because now I'm going to just read first chapter of one more book, and that is going to be Wuthering Heights. First of all, what a, like, this is hardcover. Every book lover will relate, hardcover. And this was gifted to me by my cousin, my elder sister. And I have not read this because, you know, it is so compact and it feels, I don't know, I felt that it might be too heavy. So these two are the ones that I'm going to be reading next. The first chapters of which I'm going to be reading next, although I have clear winners, but Let's see if they end up changing my mind, and we'll be done with this. So I'll start with emotional intelligence, and then I'll read the Wuthering Heights, and then I'll get back. I have finished the fourth book as well. Actually, I'm not given the update for this one, I think. So I have finished both of them, and I will first tell मेरा क्या honest opinion है. So okay, talking about the emotional intelligence, I thought this will be more about and like it is maybe about understanding our emotions, but I thought it will have a more layman language. But no, this is more on the scientific side. And right now, I am not ready to read something this complex. Like right now, I want something that I can breeze through, and this is definitely not something. And then if I will be reading this, I want to give it the time that it needs. So no, I will not be reading it this week. And then Wuthering Heights, honestly, I didn't thought think that I'll be, liking this. But by the time I came to the end of the first chapter, I was like more curious about it, and I was like, I have to read the second one. But the writing style is something that I'm not very familiar with. I think, yes, I'm not very familiar with this type of writing style. So that was what I think was stopping me from reading this before. But now I definitely want to read this. The only thing is that if I read this, I'll have to sit with a dictionary because it has many words that I will need to check the meanings of. And right now, I'm not ready to commit that much of time. So, obviously, the obvious winners are these two. One of us is Lying and Think Like a Monk. Now, if I talk about Think Like a Monk, as I said, this is action oriented. And since I am like trying to make some good changes in my life. So I will read this, but not at a very fast pace. Like if I'm going to read this, I want to take my time and I want to do the exercises that are written here. Like the first chapter has audit your life exercise, and that requires some time, right? And auditing is something that I'll need to do. I know maybe daily, maybe weekly, maybe monthly. I'm still not sure about that, how I am going to approach that. But if I am intending on doing all the exercises, not all, maybe some of the exercises at least that are in here, then I'll need to read this at a slow pace and not rush through it, because then that will just not do me any good. Okay, so the clear winner here is One of Us is Lying. Uh, I'm definitely going to be reading this week, and also this was on my March TBR, so I'm glad that I will read maybe at least one book out of my March TBR. I had bought four and I have not read any of them. I could not just give time to reading as much as I wanted to this month, and I'm trying to change that. So this video is that starting point. So I'm going to start with One of Us is Lying, and then I'll read this alongside this one. It's just that this one I'm going to be reading at a fast pace, and then Think Like a Monk is something that I would read maybe one chapter a day, or maybe I'll give 2 days to one chapter at least, at the very least, because I know when I will start reading this, I will want to read the next chapter and then the next chapter to see all the exercises that are given here. But I would not like to do that, so I will take it at a slow pace. So yeah, this was the video. These were the four books that I read the first chapters of, and here is the clear winner. This too I'll be reading in parallel, but this one is the clear winner. So that was it for the video. Hope you liked it. Hope you enjoyed it. Please do share your opinions in the comments. What do you think about these videos? If you have read any of these books and you would like to give us heads up about something, if you would like to recommend us some books, please do that. Please, we would love to hear from you. And hope to see you in the next one. This was it. Bye. Take care.